We're pulling up to the junkyard, hoping to find Trans Am parts. Look what we see right in the corner. Holy shit. And it's an 86 too. Oh my god. There might be more.
Hopefully.
Removed from its resting place after 26 years. What the? We made it into the junkyard. We've already found some interesting stuff. That looks to me like a Camaro. That was a Fiero with, I'm guessing, what sort of looks like a Ferrari body. Oh wait, actually no, it's not. What was this? It's got a Ford engine in it, but I have no idea what this is. Actually, wait. This was a TVR. Those are TVR center caps. It almost looks like a Ferrari body and it has a Ford engine.
Well,
also, that was a G body.
Also,
what?
DJ.
The Trans Am awaits us. Yes.
We should tell some.
What?
They left their door open.
Christ almighty. Boy, if this wasn't burnt to a crisp, this would be a really nice Coyote motor. Is this even open? Nope, that's closed. That thing's probably toasted. We've made it all the way to the back corner where the 86 Trans Am awaits us, or it's at least a fire. Oh no, it is a Trans Am. Look at that.
Yeah.
Now, what can we get off this?
We're gonna find out. Fucking like a spy mission. Now, how the fuck?
Oh, I'm already not liking the look of that door.
Yeah, maybe. We should pop the door open somehow.
I was gonna say, I have an idea here. You hold this. Come over here. Come over here.
Don't die.
I won't. Or at least try not to. Oh, I haven't done gymnastics in a long time. Look at this.
Hey, that looks familiar.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no.
Anything important? Holy spider webs, fuck that.
Yeah. Alright. I don't really see anything. There's a it's a T-top car too. Look at that. I really don't see much of anything.
DJ.
What? The one center cap. It's perfect. It all comes together. The hatch is popped open, but it doesn't have a wing. Yeah. I don't really think, besides that, I don't think we really need anything per se off this car.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Oh wow, this car is way worse than yours. That's the floor. And that door is just yuck. Does this thing even have the engine in it? Nope, that's long gone. That is long gone. It's a little bit of a better look. A little bit of a distance to that 69 Camaro up there. As we just find another one.
Do you want?
I just came in, he pointed this out, but I believe what I'm seeing is another Camaro. Let me look at this side. Oh yeah, 69 Camaro, I believe. Lincoln Mark 8 goodness. If I needed an engine for my car, I would take this for the Fairmont. There's quite a bit of old stuff in here. There's multiple C4s like this one. Holy shit, there's a 60 or 69 GTO nose here. Bronco doors, a C10, legit V8 motorcycles. What? Those are motorcycles, quite literally, with small black Chevrolets in them. That's crazy. All kinds of doors. This place has crazy amount of stuff. You better look at that C10. It looks like someone wanted to put on a late model chassis, or they just placed it here like this. I love this. I got attracted by the bug, and I'm like, wait, what's that? It's on top of. It's an older friggin' Bentley. What the hell? There's some very ugly wheels. Oh, there's a small block Chevy. I kid you not, never thought I'd see this decently built up small block Chevy hidden away in the junkyard. It's got AFR aluminum heads, a pretty, I don't know what intake that is, a Demon Carb. Holy shit. Exploring the junkyard further, we find this Catalina front end. And dude, there's a C2 Corvette on top of this bus. What? Kid you not, that is a 63, well, probably more like 64 to 67 C2. That's kind of crazy. It's just sitting on top of this bus.
How much for the bus?
How much for the bus and what's on top of it? It's just sitting on top of the bus. So what do you think this was?
Shut up. Thought it was a Corvette.
Yeah, no, Bentley. He thought it was Bentley.
Okay, listen. Without seeing this shit, this stupid part, this silver part, looked like something Bentley would do.
Yeah.
You know I don't know cars.
True. As we find even more stuff over here.
Look at the Mustang.
Look at the two Camaros.
Look at the Mustang. I can't flip off the camera.
There's a 67 to 68 Camaro, I believe. No, this isn't a Camaro. That's a C4 Vet. That's a C3 Corvette. Another C3 Corvette. A 67 Camaro because it has the vent windows. 70, oh my god. Oh my god. 71 or 72 Chevelle. This, holy, oh my god, this poor car. Careful, don't trip. A Buick, if I don't trip on the Buick bumper, Riviera, and a Monte Carlo. Wow, holy crap. It's got an Edel junk carburetor on it.
Yeah.
Wow. That poor Chevelle, that thing is, there's no saving this car at all. Woo. What's it got in it? Basic little small block 2-barrel. What?
What is that shifter?
It's an automatic shifter.
I know,
what does this have in it?
Why does it look so weird?
Ah, Wildcat. Wildcat 465. I know that's not the engine size because Buick is odd with stuff, but man, that's cool. Man, all these poor cars. This 67 Camaro has probably been off the road since sometime in, I don't know, maybe the 80s. It's got a pretty trick little steering wheel on it. Floors are gone in it. There's one of the fenders. And this thing was blue. Someone painted over it white, and it had a sunroof in it. That wouldn't have been factory. That was aftermarket. But wow. Man. I'm gonna try some redneck engineering and fix this. Oh yeah. There it is. Come on, damn you. So we just got that friggin' other one. This one might be for the front. I don't know. It's either for the front or the back. Hey, I fixed it.
Hey!
And it works. Yay.
Look at that. We don't need
No, I guess we don't need it. I'd leave that be. You know what? I'm gonna just leave that be. I can see that it's cracked, but
Well, here.
it's whatever.
Yeah, stay on.